You got your manuals. You got your little Mikey. You got your USB Bluetooth. Little USB here. Look at that. Even a Type-C. That's awesome. Plenty of cable length. Let's go. All right. Adjustable. Adjustable. Look at the padding. Nice padding on here. That's great. That is really nice. You can switch over from 2.4G to Bluetooth. So if you want to use it with Bluetooth, looks like you can mute your mic here and you can turn the lights off there. All right, let's connect it. And yes, they can be wireless, as you know. So let's go ahead and turn off some lights. Let's show you the lighting effects on here. Pretty cool. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Now, I can't let you listen to the audio due to, copyright reasons, but we're going to go ahead. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. There we go. Do-do-do. All right, here we go. That's actually kind of cool. So when you turn your microphone on and off, it actually tells you. Oops. Which one? Where's the hole? We can't find the hole. All right, well, we don't need the mic on for now. Just feel. It's padded on the top here as well. But yeah, it actually talks to you and lets you know. So let's see if we press and hold this here. Yeah, so, all right, I need to test it out and see the audio. So, I've had it on for just a little bit. The bass is good, treb's good. Overall, it's a nice headset. It's definitely comfortable. Yeah, treb's good. I think you guys will be happy with the headset. The bass is, I'd say, a little better than average. Definitely when there's gunfire. Bass is definitely there. You can control the volume on here as well, which is nice. So if you want to turn it down. Overall, I think it's a nice headset. I think you guys will like it. As far as the mic goes, we didn't test the mic out just because I'm not a guy that really uses a mic. But I'm sure the mics worked perfectly fine. With these units, they're pretty much all the same. So, yeah, get your thumbs up from me.